brush. Any brush will do. I'm going to be using a paddle brush, and you also need some sort of heat protectant spray. The one I'm using is by Tresemme, and some clips to hold your hair up and get it out of your way. And also you will need hairspray. That's optional if you want to spray your hair at the end. And of course, to complete this look, I'm going to be using extensions. These are by Luxury for Princess extensions. These are 220 grams and they are 22 inches long. These are a little bit lighter than my hair. I didn't think they were going to be that light, but that's okay. I can always just blend them with my hair or dye them later on. This is one of my favorite brands. I really like the quality of the hair, and I love the quality of the clip because it stays secure in your hair, doesn't slide around. And if you guys are interested, I will leave their website link down below in the description box so you guys can just check out their website and look through their extensions. I already sprayed some heat protectant spray in my hair before starting the video. I let it sit for about a minute in my hair so it locks in. I also sprayed my extensions as well because it is real human hair. Whatever I do to my own real hair, I also do to my extensions. To curl my hair today, I'm going to be using this wand by Numi. This one does not have a clamp, and it's the 25mm wand. This was a highly requested video, so I really hope you guys enjoy it. I always curl my hair away from my face just because I like how the curls fall that way. And I'm going to do that to both sides, and I'm also going to fast forward through this whole video because I don't want you guys sitting there and just watching me do the same thing over and over. This wand gets really hot, so you have to really be careful when using it. It does come with a glove, but I just hate wearing the glove because I feel like I can't control my hair. But I have burned myself 3 times before and it hurts really bad, so again, please be careful. I'm basically doing the same thing as I did on the other side. I just didn't want to record too much on this side because the video was going to be too long. And when I'm done, I quickly run my fingers through my hair just so I can separate the curls. I also brush my hair because I don't like the tight curls. I like mine to be very wavy and loose, but if you guys like yours tight, you can just leave them like that and spray some hairspray on them, and then you're all done. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later.